Here, do you want some? Ngon hả?
What is the flavor?
What's that?
What is the flavor? The flavor.
Coffee flavor. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, coffee flavor. Yeah. Do you ever drink coffee or not?
I do drink coffee, but I hate coffee with ice in it because it's very yucky.
Very yucky. What, with ice?
Yeah, and it's cold.
Do you like what about hot coffee? You like hot coffee?
Hot coffee is good, and hot chocolate is good.
Hot chocolate is great, isn't it?
I do drink hot chocolate, but I never drink hot chocolate with a marshmallow before.
Oh, would you like to try hot chocolate and marshmallows?
Yeah, but we need to put a tiny marshmallow in it, not a biggest one.
A tiny marshmallow. Let me quickly see if I can find something to show you. Tiny marshmallows, right? Not the big marshmallows.
No, the tiny one is, and it's colorful. Some marshmallow is colorful, some marshmallow is only white, like that.
Oh, okay. Let me show you. Colorful marshmallows, right? You don't want just the white ones.
Colorful tiny marshmallow.
You like these ones.
Yeah, the white one.
Hot chocolate marshmallows. Oh, like this. Doesn't that look right?
Like that marshmallow. Yeah, I mean, like this one. Yeah, that marshmallow.
Oh, look at that. That looks great. Look at this one.
Oh, a snowman.
Yeah, marshmallow man. Look at that. Which one do you want?
I want this one, the snowman.
This one.
No, snowman. Happy day. No, this one. Yeah.
So cute. Okay.
It's
Oh, I want this one. This one looks nice.